Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. In this video I got this new Nintendo Switch and I'm pretty excited about this. I made a whole ass video of me unboxing this Nintendo Switch the day it arrived from the whole package and all, but somehow I deleted the footage of me speaking to the camera. Like I had 3 different camera angles set up for the whole video and all, but the main camera which was focusing on my face, that video got deleted, and right now I have to shoot it again. So I have arranged everything in the exact possible place that it came with because I wanted to make it as authentic as possible for you guys. So let's unbox this and see what all is inside. So when you open the box, you get the OLED screen. This is the OLED screen. It has a 7-inch display. So I have got the original Nintendo colors, which is blue and red. So in the bottom layer we have this deck. I'll explain everything as the video goes on, but right now we just see the contents and then I can explain and give you a little story time of why I got this Nintendo might be. So this is a controller thingy, I would say, where you put your Joy-Cons and it becomes a handheld controller. Then we have got these sensor, I would say sensor things for your Joy-Con. So when you want to use your Joy-Cons without the screen, you can apply this, and it also has a handheld thing, so it grips on your wrist like this. Yes, and yeah, you can attach your Joy-Cons like this. And this is a handy thing. We have the charger. It is a basic C-type charger which charges the OLED screen, and your Joy-Cons get charged when you connect it to the OLED screen. And then you have your HDMI cables. Also, when you attach these handheld things to your Joy-Cons, there is a little lock button here. You can see here the lock button. If you press this lock button, you cannot remove the handheld thing right away. You just have to pull the lock and push this black button on the back and slide it. So for all my viewers, I would like to say that I have been a non-gamer all my life. Like I have never been a kid who used to play video games. Yeah, I might have played a little games on my iPad when I was growing up, but that doesn't count in the video game arena. So a few years back, I was seeing a stream of a YouTuber. His name is Mortal, and he was playing a game called Fall Guys on his computer with his friends. And that game was so addictive, like I kept on watching streams on streams of that game. After that, I tried installing that game onto my Mac, but yeah, there was some problem and Fall Guys didn't open on my Mac. So I was like, okay, theek hai, we'll search other things on how we can play the game. Later, I saw another YouTuber who got this Nintendo Switch for herself on her birthday, and it was so cute. Like the first moment I saw the Nintendo, I was like, this is so cute, and I have been meaning to get it ever since. Like, so I kept on seeing videos on Nintendo gameplays and I was addicted. I gave myself a lot of time to think on it, and then I decided ki yeah, this is the right time I could get a Nintendo Switch for myself. And also, I know my audience demographics, so I would like to say that whenever you want to buy a gaming experience, there are particularly 2 different kinds. One is a console which gets attached to your TV like PlayStation, Xbox and all, and the other is a handheld thing. So there are different companies who produce these handheld gaming experiences like Stream Deck, Xbox, and I guess Asus if I'm not wrong. And I thoroughly researched if I want to get a console or a handheld thing, and then I came to the conclusion that yeah, I want something which is portable enough, like I can take it everywhere that I go. And Nintendo Switch gets a +2 for all these because this is the only console in the market which can be used as a handheld portable gaming experience, as well as you can connect it to the TV and use your Joy-Cons as a controller and play games on it. And I am someone who likes to be very attached to a thing that I get. Like I would get different kind of covers or different accessories to go with it. And I have done the similar thing with lots of stationery, my books. Like I could get different kind of bookmarks, highlighters. I don't know, I love collecting things, and Nintendo Switch is the perfect addition to my life because I would like to say you ki there are hundreds of accessories that you can get to accessorize your Switch. Like I got the red and blue Joy-Cons that I showed you earlier, and you could get the white ones, the black ones, the pastel ones, and attach it to the same OLED screen. So how cannot it be a plus one for this, right? So before I organize everything again and put it back, I would like to tell you about this deck that I showed you earlier. So you can just pop this back cover open, flip it over, and there you have your AC adapter, HDMI out, and LAN. You can connect a LAN also for internet accessibility, and you can connect this HDMI thing right here. So this is the HDMI cable. One side goes to your TV. TV के पीछे you can get the HDMI cable connection, and you can connect the other end to this deck, and then you can just pop your OLED screen right here, and it will automatically get connected to your TV, and you can just make your own console right there. I know I didn't give you a first-hand unboxing experience, but what I can give you is I can put the screen guard on top of it, because I have heard a lot of people say that you can get easy scratches on the screen. So yeah, getting a screen protector was a must. So let's put this screen protector on top and then see how to set up and all. I was prepping up the OLED screen for application of this screen protector, so I was halfway through, and then I got reminded that yeah, I have to shoot this video. So yeah, you can see me doing it half. Matlab, I already prepped my whole alcohol wala thing and all. Everything is done. I just have to pick up these little dust particles and then apply the screen protector. So there are many games that comes to play with your Nintendo Switch, but you have to buy everything, and each game costs around 3,500 to 4,000, I guess, or maybe higher. So I have been tweaking around with my Nintendo for a week now, and I have been only using the free apps to let you guys know कि free apps में भी बहुत दम होता है यार. Yeah, because I have my exams on November this year, and I will be getting lots of games then. Some of them are Zelda, Mario Kart, obviously, and all content. Harry Potter, yes. Hogwarts Legacy is another game that I want to get, and I have to get an A for putting up screen protectors. Like, I am the only one in the whole family that sets up everyone's screen protector, and I myself have a dent on my phone. Somehow my screen protector got cracked, and I just threw it out, and then my phone fell down the stairs, and right now I cannot use my front camera. So yeah, I am the one who cares about everyone's phone safety, but my phone is the one who got a crack, and I can't. The screen is prepped. Let's now throw this all out and then continue with the video. Speaking of accessories, I got a case, a hardcover case for my Nintendo. Like, I can use it whenever I travel somewhere, and it's kind of an extra protection that I think is necessary. And I'll link everything down below, and these are very cheap, I would say. Matlab, if you compare it with the other things that are available on the market, this is the cheapest of them all. And let's see if it's any good, because it seems sturdy. And yeah, I am always the one who doesn't use a scissor to open my parcels. I just do it like this. So this is the case. You also get a little thing for attachment. As you can see here, there are different regions that you can select, and there is none called India on here. So Japan is the closest that you can get, but I think the Americas would be a good thing, because there are many different games that are available in this region, and the language is set to be English. Here is a Nintendo eShop where you can go and where you can just basically go and search for different games. There are many games that you can buy online, like digital versions, or you can get a handheld physical I would say game card, which you can install right here. It is the slot for game cards. If you go to the eShop, you get different games which you can buy digitally. So I have heard from a lot of places that you cannot buy games online from India's credit cards. It would be good if you try it with your own credit cards and see if you can buy the games from the Nintendo eShop. I have not personally purchased any games right now, so I am not the one to give you opinion, but I have heard it from a lot of places. So we'll be playing a game of Fall Guys right now, and it's a bit chilly. I have my AC on high cooling and I'm feeling a bit cold, so let me put a hoodie and then shift my bed and play a game of Fall Guys. I love this sound. It's so cute. I have been playing this game for, like I said, a week now, but I cannot even play a knockout game right now. So yeah, I always play explore games. As you can see, the graphics are so good. Wish. I just fell down. Okay, let's try again. Yes. Wait. It makes such a cute noises. You can just adjust the camera like this, like, let me point, and then okay. I would say Fall Guys is particularly a difficult game to play, but just people think कि हाँ बहुत cute game है तो कहाँ difficult होगा, but it's actually a very difficult game to play. And once you get a hold of this game, obviously you would love to play it. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, my console battery is low. It takes around 2 to 3 hours for a full battery charge, and yeah, I play around half an hour every single day at night, and it has lasted me for a week. Like, I charged it once and it has been going on ever since, so the battery is quite good, I would say. Nice. Let's say. Wait, no. Okay, let's see. No, wow. अरे no. इतना दूर रख के तो नहीं हारना है भाई, बिल्कुल. चलो. बस. Whoa! I completed a friggin' level. I hope you like this video and you'd like me to play more games on my Nintendo. And this is also another thing that I have been meaning to do. Like, I wanted to stream like me playing games, because me talking to the camera is a little awkward thing for me. So I would pack my Nintendo right here in my new case. So yeah, my Nintendo is packed for the day, and we would shift to the laptop to shoot something else, because there is something I'd like to share it to the YouTube community as well. So yeah, I'll meet you guys on my laptop in a minute. So me from the laptop says hi. I have been quite active on Twitter nowadays, and in this video I'd like to review that as well. So this is my Twitter page. Like, I have been posting everyday targets of a fitness goal, of me cooking food, or me having any thoughts. I'll be linking it down for you guys, so give me a follow over there. And if you are here from the Twitter community, please drop a heart in the comment section down below. So I made chocolate chip cookie yesterday, and I was quite proud of this whole thing that I made. Like, I set up a whole photo shoot for a cookie that I made, and yeah, I am quite proud of this. Comment down below if you want to see me do a YouTube video of this chocolate chip cookie, because I thought about doing that, but it seemed like a lot of work, I would say. I just posted it 2 hours ago. I mean, yeah, I went to Pondicherry last summer, and there are many different places, my absolute favorite places, that I wanted to share it with my Twitter community, and yeah, it's been doing good, I would say. Then yeah, I have been taking a lot of challenges here lately. Like, I want to run 5 kilometers a day, and I just posted 12 hours ago ki, yeah, I am taking up this challenge from tomorrow. So yeah, and this is another thing that I'm proud of on this Twitter page. Like, I added all my favorite desk accessories, and if you want to see a video of me describing all those different things on this YouTube channel as well, let me know. So I have been documenting all my daily breakfasts, my workouts on this Twitter channel. It would be very good if you guys join me over there as well. You would get a more daily update kind of thing, because YouTube community is not active for me right now, and reels or shorts are not my thing. So yeah, Twitter is another thing that I think would be a good addition to my life. And yeah, 2 weeks in, and I actually love this. The post that gained a lot of traction, it got over 28,000 views. I don't know what made people see this, but yeah, that was the first day that I ran 1.5 kilometers with a higher pace, and that is an achievement for me. I know people would be saying ki 1.5 kilometer is not enough. I know it is not enough, but for me it seems like a lot of progress. Like, I know myself, and I was a person who cannot even be running for 2 minutes straight. So 1.5 kilometers seems like a very big deal to me. Anyways, also I posted this tweet a while back, and this is also something that I have been proud of. I read about 8 books till June of this year, and I want to read 8 more in the coming days. And yeah, I targeted myself to read about 20 books, but I could only do 8 till half of the year. So if you are here till this point of this video, thank you for watching. It means a great deal to me, and I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel for a lot of different content. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.